Hello, my name is Shelley Ohms. I'm here to present the Christine Yates Archer Memorial Scholarship. It is given through my club HOSA, which is Health Occupation Students of America. It is a $500 scholarship to be given to someone who is pursuing a degree in the medical field and a member of HOSA. Her daughter Amanda also works for the district. I completely left her. Hello, my name is Shelley Ohms. I'm here to present the Christine Yates Archer Memorial Scholarship. It is given through HOSA Club. HOSA is Health Occupation Students of America. It is I am the sponsor of that club. It is a $500 scholarship for someone who is a HOSA member and planning to continue their education in a medical career. Christine herself worked for the district for 20 years. She was a secretary first at the elementary and then at the junior high. Her daughter Amanda is also a teacher in the school district. Amanda Borders teaches first grade at Northside Primary. I'm very proud and honored to give this in her memory. She was a good friend to me. This year's scholarship recipient of the Christine Archer Yates HOSA Scholarship is Shani May. Shani May is my HOSA president. She is going to Murray State. She's been accepted to Murray State. She plans a degree in communications and speech and language pathology. She's already completed her CNA and is currently working as a pharmacy tech. Definitely very medically service-oriented student. She was one of my best volunteers, always there when I needed her. Very well deserved. Congratulations, Shani May.